When you're dealing with a huge amount of different tasks that are quite complicated and they're taking a long time, sometimes you can get really muddled up with it. So what I like to do is set out a monthly overview for each of the big complicated tasks that I've got. And what I'll have with that is I'll have a checklist which will enable me to control things a lot easier. Now, nobody likes getting completely and totally blindsided with things. And when you're dealing with a lot of complicated things all at once, you can tend to get muddled up. But it actually becomes a lot easier if you're controlling things using these overviews and checklists, because you have an understanding of the task, you have all of the things that you need to accomplish on that task, and you can just check them off when they're done. Now, once you've actually accomplished one of your tasks, what you want to do is you want to take the result that you've got and you want to go through absolutely everything. You want to go through the outline of the task. You want to go through all of the different checkpoints and make sure that everything is accomplished. And you'll find that that will speed things up tremendously.